Um, right, can't get my foot in the door these days. Jesus. Right, firstly, I want to say sorry for that outburst last weekend. The video does seem to be very popular, though. There was something about bought and paid for police, which I don't even think I'll go on to. But yeah, I was just tired, and I'm all right, really. I've just come home to remember the speeding fine when I ripped the forums up on camera. Apparently, Kent Police were listening, or were looking at their Twitter account. They've just sent me this. They've gone and had a court case. There was nothing on those forums about this. There's going to be a court case on if you plead not guilty or whatever. So they've just gone and had, because they haven't got the forms back, so they've just gone and had a court. They haven't told me. And I remember that because that becomes very pertinent in a bit. Failure to give information relating to the identification of the driver. Right. Now, as we discussed, when the second set of forms came through, they said they'd sent me a letter and they hadn't because they're lying bastards. And then those forms came through and the speeding fine wasn't on it anymore. So they were trying to do me for not filling in a form for an offence which they weren't doing me for. Right. So, £811 fucking pounds. Fuck me, I didn't know speeding was so fucking expensive. How the fuck have they come to that? Fine £660, victim surcharge, I don't know who the victim was, me, I think, £66, and costs £85. The court has made a collection order to collect the sum due. Well, since you had a court case without fucking telling me, I'm not surprised. I imagine you made up all kinds of fucking shit. Apparently, so have Kent Police. So, see reverse for details on how to pay. Failure to pay as ordered by an unsigned form with just apparently Suzanne Gadd, Gadd, is the Justice's clerk. Email. Oh, they've got an email address. So I've just seen this. Email KE-KSSENFORCEMENT. Do you know what that spells? KSS Enforcement. So you've got to email the bailiff, who is apparently at justice.gov.uk. So actually the bailiffs, I think, were holding the court case. Wow. This is fucking far off the scale. I don't think fucking Cambridge Police ever did. Jesus, this is incredible. Oh, sorry, that is Enforcement Inquiries, that email address. There's not an email address for the court. Really? Still? Incredible. Yeah, this is fantastic. You could get deductions from your earnings, deductions from your benefit, a warrant of control being issued to enforcement agents to take control of your goods, which will incur additional costs, of course, because they have to get out of bed. I don't have goods, I have possessions. This is a major stumbling step in your fucking financially contracting courts, you see. Warrant for your arrest to return to court. But I haven't been to court. So how can I return to a court I haven't been to? Remember when I said remember that bit because it will become very pertinent? So they're going to return me to a court I haven't been to. Well, that'll be fun. But you crack on with that because I don't think Kent Police can't do it, so Cambridgeshire Police will have to do it. And I don't think they want to lose another Chief Constable just at the minute. He's on fucking thin ice as it is. I keep emailing PSD and that about the visit in May. No response. No response from the Office of the Police Crown Commissioner either, because they're all lying, fucking thieving bastards. Increasing your fine by 50%. So they're going to put 50% on a made-up number. Clamping, removal and sale of your vehicle. Registering the account in Register of Judgments, orders and fines affecting your ability to obtain credit. Well, that's no good because I've already got 3 CCJs. In fact, I think it's 2 now because they had one validated by the wrong address because they're all lying bastards. I can't find a third one now. If these sanctions have been imposed, your fine remains outstanding. The court may order that you are imprisoned for non-payment. Right, so you can't get the money from all those, but you think you're actually going to fine me to send me to prison. Wow, sent to prison for doing a few miles an hour over the speed limit, eh? Serious fucking offence, that. Worse than fucking murder. Especially if a cop runs over another cop. Some of you'll get that. Perhaps you should shoot me at dawn. Sieg Heil, Sieg Heil, Kent Police, Sieg Heil, Kent Police, Sieg Heil. So you've actually just gone and made up... I've had nothing informing me of this. I would have considered going, actually, because it could have been quite fun. If you have difficulties in paying the amount, you must immediately contact the enforcement team. No, because that would constitute a contract between me and the enforcement team if I contacted them, you see. So then I'd kind of been obliged to pay. How to pay... So they've already put 6 penalty points on my licence, apparently. It's funny that I didn't notice them going on. We'll see the next time I'm stopped, shall we, by DVSA. See what they say. Any paper counterpart to your licence sent to the court has not been updated with this endorsement has been destroyed. Well, no, for a start, we don't really use paper counterparts anymore. That's why we've got sort of microchipped driving licences. And secondly, I knew nothing about this, so obviously it would have been a bit hard for me to send it to an address that I didn't know. Wow, well that'll be fun then, won't it? I've got to pay on or before the 16th of September. God, I've actually got my date of birth right. Which wouldn't matter anyway, because as we know... I'll look... I'll look what they've done. They've put my second name in block capital letters. That takes it all off the page. Oh, God. You were doing so well. Oh, God. Tusk's off about something again. Oh, damn. Sorry. You won't get your money. Incredible. Incredible. I mean, at least the CPS wrote to me and lied to me and told me the court case was off and then went ahead with it. But these people have just actually fucking invented one. Nothing through the post to say, right, we're taking you to court then, if you're going to be an arrogant bastard and not return the forms and rip them up on camera. Nothing. Nothing. See you all later.